In a land where knowledge was cherished, a wise old buzzard named Balthazar resided atop the Tower of Enlightenment. This towering edifice, a symbol of wisdom and knowledge, stood as the beacon of understanding for all who sought it. One day, a young and ambitious squirrel named Squeaky ventured to the tower, seeking the wisdom of Balthazar. He hoped to find an answer to a riddle that had been plaguing his mind for days. "Great Balthazar, I have come to seek your wisdom," Squeaky said, bowing low. "I have a riddle that has confounded me, and I seek your guidance." Balthazar, with eyes that shimmered with ancient wisdom, listened intently. "Speak, young squirrel, and I shall do my best to aid you." Squeaky recited the riddle, "I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?" Balthazar pondered for a moment, his beady eyes narrowing as he considered the answer. Then, with a wise and knowing nod, he replied, "You seek the answer to the enigma of the wind, a question that has perplexed many. Let me tell you a story, and perhaps it will shed light on your query. Long ago, in a time before time, there existed a great and powerful sorcerer who sought to control the very essence of the wind. He cast a spell, but in his hubris, he could not foresee the consequences. The wind, in its infinite wisdom, fought back, and the spell was shattered, scattering the power of the wind across the land. Now, the wind speaks through the rustling of leaves, whispers in the trees, and the sighs of the ocean. It hears the cries of the lost, the laughter of the joyful, and the silent prayers of the contemplative. It's not a single, tangible entity, but a collective consciousness, a symphony of life itself." Squeaky pondered Balthazar's words, and a great understanding washed over him. He thanked the wise Buzzard for his guidance and returned to his home, and newfound wisdom in his heart. From that day forward, Squeaky shared the tale of the enigma of the wind with all who sought his counsel. And though he never met Balthazar again, his wisdom continued to guide and inspire those who listened. In the end, the tale of the enigma of the wind serves as a reminder to us all. Wisdom is not something that can be grasped or contained, but something to be sought, shared, and cherished. And like the wind, it can speak to us in the most unexpected ways, if we only learn to listen.